Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Just waiting a moment for people to join. Anybody there? Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I've become Zeklo. Oh no. Is that something he says? Did I just accidentally pick that up? How is the audio and the frame rate if I start just typing? I can't type the word typing. Just want to make sure everything's working properly. Last time there was a bunch of very poppy. I'm using frame rate fine for me. I'm not using the Yeti. It shouldn't be popping. Let me testing. I'm not hearing any popping. Also, can you hear audio from my computer? Well, everything fixes every time you complain, so you should... Hey, Frosty! I don't hear popping. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't hear any popping at all. Maybe you do. I think I'm gonna get started now. Basically, what I'm doing today is fixing the mistakes. I don't think I remember you, but it's nice to have you in the stream, Frosty. I didn't hear any engine revving, thankfully. One pop. Really? So I just have to not ever stop talking ever. As long as I keep always talking something, I will never have a pop again, right? And then I won't hurt anybody's ears. Okay, let's try and do that. The Don't Stop Talking challenge. So today we're going to fix my mistakes of the past. Some seriously bad mistakes that I left in the Snowball mod. First off, I completely replaced the recipe description table, and I think I was forced to do Gorge or Forge with you with Seashore. Oh, okay, that's cool. But yeah, I completely replaced the recipe description table entirely, and what this caused was the basically, the game wouldn't crash if Snowballs was enabled, but as soon as Snowballs was enabled with another mod, the game would then crash, and it it would blame the other mod, which, I thought wasn't a huge issue. I was gonna go fix it on the stream, but then Orange went and played with my mod, and every crash he had, it blamed every other mod he was trying to use, and I felt so bad. I felt horrible. And then there's another crash I have, which I have to actually change the Snowball prefab because Flingomatic uses Snowball for its projectile. I can't hear the popping over the police sirens and the person's engine that police are probably coming for, don't worry. So I think I'm just going to make it Snowball P for player, and that'll fix everything. That'll make it all nice and healthy. Don't forget to Snowball P. Put that there so I'm not replacing the recipe description anymore. And I'll go ahead and copy paste all the way down the line. This way, we got a new prefab file, then the Flingomatic's not going to crash the game anymore, and my mod won't make other mods look bad, so we don't want that. Next, I'm a little worried about the fact that I have snowball.zip. I don't think there is a snowball.zip in the Don't Starve anim files, so let's check real quick. Snowball? No. Good, no Snowball. So let's go ahead and open up prefabs, snowball.lua, and at the very bottom, add Snowball P. Oh, shoot. I actually have to rename the file too. Rename to Snowball P for player. Snowball up. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and run a quick test. Make sure everything's good. You told me what? What'd you tell me, Osung? Ah, there we go. Yeah, if anybody's interested, anybody watching is interested, we have a Discord server to hang out in. I think it'll be in the description of the video, the invite link. So feel free to join if you want to. I'm pretty sure this is my Snowball world. No mods. Why do I have a world with no mods? I don't understand. Snowball. I can type it. Where is it? Aha! I'm confused. Where is it? Did my mod delete itself? I think it deleted itself. What's going on? Oh. What? Just create a new one. Mods. Da 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 da. I'm pretty sure it's here somewhere. Scary stories, server, shield, shipwreck, skin, smiley, snowballs. There that is. I found it. Okay, so let's go ahead and madness, friends only, generate world. I think it was filtered weird again. I think it was only filtering workshop mods, so I couldn't find snowballs because of it. I'm a little dumb. Just a little bit. Tiny bit dumb. Let's go ahead, hop in, and C_give snowball P. Oh, the inventory image has to be changed. Ah! Well, looks like it's working, though. Awesome. Beautiful. And where was it? Where was it in fight? It was in fight. Snowball. Okay. Looks good. I need to change the image and all that stuff. So, because I did a big dumb. I do too. So, these need to be changed. But another thing I wanted to test is spawn. You never know what cool effects the game is hiding. I know, right? Flingo. Wait, no, it's fire suppressor. I want to spawn a fire suppressor and, why doesn't it put my torch out? Okay, good. The snowball animation still... Good. I might actually use the snowball animation for what I'm planning on doing. I might just get rid of the art that I currently have made, but that's later. Right now, I need to fix the inventory image. So... Pretty sure... Open in the window. Exported snowball. I don't know which one it was. I don't know which one it was. I don't know which one it was. That's 128 by 128. I don't want that. Is it this one? Properties. Or did I just put it in? It is in here. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to just name this Snowball P, delete these, and I'm going to go find... Wait, no, it's right here. Texture and Atlas Pecker. I'm going to drop that in there. And we're going to just save it as Snowball P. Save. Pack. Build process complete. And let's go ahead and update all instances of Snowball to Snowball P. Doot. Doot. Anything else? Name Snowball P. Snowball P. I think it's good. Has anybody else joined? Anybody else watching? Need somebody to talk to while the game is loading. What? Oh, wait. I think... Whoopsie daisy, there was one more Snowball. Atlas name Snowball P. There we go. Close the game, open it back up. And we should be good now. So the next steps, I think, were... making... I want to be able to throw snowballs at players without PvP being on and not damaging them. And I'm not entirely sure how to do that. Oh, that's cool, Frosty. What? Wah-ba-ba-ba-ba. No. I changed it, and I saved the file. Images snowball.xml. Whoa. Eh. 0 matches. I'm confused. Water balloon code. Well, that's arced throwing. And that's not really throwing it at players. It's... Is it? It might. I'll have to look and see, but I'm so confused. What is... Ah, there it is. Okay, there we go. I found the issue. I'm big dumb. I'm big dumb programmer. Yeah, I'll check the water balloon code, Frosty. Maybe that'll work, but I'm pretty sure that... Doesn't it have throwing at players? It does. I know you can throw it at players, but I'm pretty sure that you're just throwing it at the ground where the players are standing. I'll have to check. I understand. Host game. Resume world. I'll check it out. If that doesn't work, I could potentially make it so that you could throw a snowball at any point. and just have the projectile watch for entities, watch for pretty much anything. Go C_spawn Snowball. No, Snowball P. Aha! Snowball. Nice. And in war, it's still... Why is it doing that? That doesn't make any sense. Recipe desk, Snowball. Oh. Oh, that's why. Well, what is it trying to craft? Wait a second. Wait a second. What is it trying to craft? Oh, the projectile. Okay. Okay, I'm officially all Snowball. It's all been replaced with Snowball P. That was a pain in the butt, but now there's no longer any issues with the Flingomatic. And that's why you thoroughly check before giving things prefab names. You've got an ambitious mod idea? What's that, Frosty? C_spawn Wes. C_give water balloon. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, this is just throwing it at the ground. Throwing it anywhere on the ground, and it just happens to hit the player. Which is exactly what I'm going to do for the Snowball. So, the Snowball will be aimable. Can't you use the Snowball from... Yeah, I will be using the Snowball from the Flingo after I improve the code. I want to use this Snowball. It looks cool. So let's get to work on improving that code. Now, I'm pretty sure... I don't think there's any straight projectiles that are throwable. Just arced projectiles. So... I'm gonna have to make a new action. Oh boy, new action. I was thinking on cultivation mod before Reap and Sow update. It's mostly for making more decorative plants and such via lunar mutation. That sounds really cool. Glass trees, shrubbery, pretty and dangerous plants. That does sound really cool. So, oh boy, new action. I've forgotten how to do this. It's been a long time since I've added a new action. Let's see. Do I have one of my mods that I can steal from, or at least reference? Had some concepts I did a year or two ago, but never got into it. Well, hopefully it comes into reality at some point. That does sound like fun. I know the Daniel mod has an action in it. Add action, Cane Haunt. Okay. So... this is older, though. I'm pretty sure the actions have been updated since this. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Don't Starve, Scripts, Actions. Now... oh, maybe I can do this. So let's go ahead and find Toss. And we're just going to copy that because we want it to function identically. Throw. Wait. I gotta make sure there's no throw action that exists. Throw. Okay, looks like there's no throw action. Good, 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 good. So, mount valid, true, distance 8. This is good. Oh, I haven't been reading, sorry. Maybe, but I'm not much of a coder. Besides, might try coding, but it's hard. Not sure how DST's modding works, though. I'd probably do the animation, or maybe I should make an attempt at modding my own character into the game. Yeah, that's where most people start. A character's... it's a very large scope, but it is one of the easier things to do, because there's not much that you have to pile on for a character. A lot of the code is already done. For the most part, it's the strings and the art. So we're going to do local throw. Oops. Sounds like Wilson's about to die. No, he's not. Wes died. What about modding it in a tree? That's... see, modding in a tree is a lot harder because there isn't guides for it, and you're going to have to be referencing the existing trees in the game a lot and understand Lua to a point. So that's why custom items start to get a lot trickier. ID string... strings, actions... I might change this to just throw snowballs so that I can make sure that I don't conflict with other mods that way. That's the smart thing to do. And I'm actually going to... take all of this and put it below the strings. In fact, for my own sanity, I'm just going to go ahead and take all of this, put it over here, save as scripts snowball underscore strings. That way I got the strings stored somewhere else, and then I can just mod import scripts snowball underscore strings dot lua. Oops. That should be good. And then I want to add for the action. Throw Snowball. Ignore that. Okay. Throw Snowball. Throw Snowball. Throw Snowball. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Now for the FN. And then I want to add action. So I need to reference toss now, which is here. Oops. Actions toss FN. Alright. If act inv object and act doer, inv object projectile, act doer components inventory, drop item, projectile, then launch. Okay, so basically it's just dropping the item out of the stack and launching it at the position. So, alright, that shouldn't be too... Hey, Zarklord's here! You should probably use add action since it does stuff to make it more mod compatible. I did, it's right here, Zark, let's go ahead and open up projectile so I can reference it. Components projectile. And first things first, we have to make sure that the player and the inventory object exist. If act inv object components projectile and act doer components inventory, and it wasn't there when I said it. Yeah, it's delayed by quite a bit. Sorry. I'm pretty sure drop item with the false means not the whole stack. I'm gonna check really quickly. If I can find the function. Aha, yeah. With a false means just the first item. Act doer components inventory drop item in object false. It really depends on how motivated you are and if your brain clicks with programming. If it doesn't, it's gonna be really hard, Frosty. But otherwise, I picked it up pretty quickly. Just in a couple of months, I had built a mod character when I first started programming, and it wasn't that hard to start learning things. Little by little, I got better and better. Yeah, exactly what Hornet said. That. Hi, Hornet. Welcome to the stream. Actor components inventory drop item. Now I'm gonna need to go to projectile. And I need to launch projectile. Throw. Here it is. Throw. Owner, target, attacker. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's not good. I have an idea. Working with widget is all the time. Yeah, UI is kind of a pain. I've been seeing a lot of the stuff Zarklord's been adding to the game. And that UI, it looks amazing, but I know it's gotta be painful. UI is always a pain. But he's got like a UI widget to help him with it, though. He's got development tools that modders don't have access to, so he's got exact pixel measurements to help him out. So here's the problem. Projectile can't... Oh, you don't? Well, you should give it to me then. But anyways, the problem here is projectile can only throw at a target. It can't throw at a target position, as far as I'm aware. Yeah, so... I'll try to figure out special powers for my character in game. Everybody cries the first time, don't worry. Yeah. So what I'm gonna actually do is make it spawn an invisible entity to set as the target. It's gonna be a little hack, but that way I can keep the straight throw with the snowball. Yeah, that'll be good. So... Snowball. Where's Snowball? Alright. So I'm going to add a new prefab. Snowball targ. Function inst... Wait. I just need... Local inst equals create entity... And then I need to add transform. This is stupid and probably cringy. Because I want to make him do ice powers, ice cage, ice surf. Oh, a bunch of ice stuff. Ice staff stronger for him, and I guess it would be a bit of... Yeah, that would be a bit of work, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. Oh, what the... Okay. Local targ FN. So basically it's just going to plop down the target prefab, and then it's going to throw at the target prefab. Projectile target equals spawn prefab. Where is it? Snowball. Snowball targ. And we're going to projectile target transform set position. And as far as I'm aware, I don't think it'll ever get an act.target. I think it's always going to be position. So act get position. And then we're going to projectile components projectile throw, and it will be the owner, the target, and the attacker. I don't think it needs attacker. Just owner and target, right? So this will be act doer and projectile target. And then I need to return true to make sure that it doesn't pop up with, I can't do that. The next thing to do is set up the component action. So I have to bring up component actions and reference that. There we go. Point. So I'm going to copy these. And I'm pretty sure add component action, point, component. Okay. Point. Now this is going to be, oh shoot, I have to add a new, I gotta add a new component for the snowball. Oh no. Maybe make the snowballs like the ice staff flinging, but slower. It's gonna kind of work like that, yeah. So add component action, point, snowball. I'm gonna have to add a new component for snowball. Yes. Function. End. Now, inside of the function, I need to make sure it's right. This is good. This is very good. I will just copy that. That does exactly what I wanted to. And we'll just table insert. Actions. I know minimal knowledge of coding, so I think I can read a tiny bit of what's going on, just a tiny bit. Stupid emojis I don't need. Yeah, I'm going to try and explain stuff as it comes up. So I'm adding the component action, and it's a point type action, which means anywhere on the ground. Snowball is going to be the custom component I add so that I know that only snowballs get this. And then it has to insert into actions what actions get added under the circumstances. So it can detect, oh, you have a snowball in your hand, and the ground, you have your right click available, the ground is not blocked, then you can go ahead and throw the snowball. And all this code here is just registering the snowball and the function that it runs when you activate the action. The component action is so that the client side can have the action registered and can send to the server when the player is using the action. I think I made that make sense. Hopefully I did. I might... I think I want to add another... I don't know. I don't think I need to, because it's... I don't know if I have to add another if check. I don't think I need to, but I'll find out. So the next thing I need to do is just make an empty component that only the snowball gets. So we're going to go to... Snowballs, scripts, new folder, components. Go ahead, open that sucker up. And new... no, not that. Where is it? Where's delete? There it is. I want a new text file. Snowball.lua. Yep, whatever. Open that up. What am I missing? Did Clay change the fact you can't block blow darts from flying towards its targets with walls anymore? Someone thought because Glommer glitch not working sometimes. Majority symbols are completely new to me. Inst, doer, pause, nil. Ah! Well, inst is the prefab in question. Doer... Inst is a prefab in question, so I'm assuming the item, the snowball. Doer is the player that has the snowball. Pause is the position in which the mouse exists. Actions, you fill with actions based under the different criteria. And right is whether or not the right mouse button is available. I think I'm gonna go look at the Daniel mod again, just real fast, and just copy some stuff. Snowball equals class function end. You know what? I probably could literally just return. I could literally just return that. Then I can go to Snowball, and we will inst add component Snowball. Let's go ahead and regenerate the world. Glassy Snowball. Hey, the game crashed. What happened? Don't starve together. I don't know what cluster it was. Cluster 8? Wait, no. That doesn't matter. Oops. I'm testing locally, so I just need to get to the don't starve together client log. What caused it to crash? Ah, I put one L. I put one L when requiring the snowball strings. Okay, that's dumb. That's big dumb. So how is everybody? How have things been going in 2021? Good, bad? Big brain, small dumb. No mod enabled. Did it delete the world? I don't know. I don't like that it sorts by workshop first, and you have to change it to filter all. I mean, it makes sense, but I don't like it anyways, and the game frickin' crashed again! What happened this time? Ah, global action. Is there anything else that needs to... Okay, it should be good now. Wait a second. Okay. We should be good now. Does the world need a global? It's inside of a function. Oh, shoot! Hornets! Good eye! Spawn prefab, definitely. I'm gonna put G on the world, too. Good catches, guys. I didn't even notice those. That would have been another 2 crashes. Ah. There's another one. G actions. Okay. Host game. Now it shouldn't crash. Wait. Where did my worlds keep going? Snowballs. Generate the world. Wait. Friends only. And we'll see it's not crashing, which is good news. So, after this... Oh my god. 135 on Snowball. P. 135. What'd I do? Oops. Wait. I forgot to return inst! Ah! I'm horrible! Dang it! Get rid of the bracket? Oh. That's also an issue. Because I copied it from here and just decided to put targ fn, and I still had the close parentheses. Where? I don't know where the worlds keep going. Crashed! Wow! Okay, one more shot. Come on. Fiddy needs a new pair of shoes. Oh? Is it gonna crash? Fingers crossed? Hey! No crashes. Awesome. Alright. So, we go here. Snowball. Have a snowball fight. Give Snowball. Oops. That's not what I meant. Snowball P. That's gonna be annoying. Okay, so... I'm pretty sure it's spawning a whole bunch of snowball targs all over the place. No! What's going on? What's wrong? What did I do? Act doer, act in object. Look in the corner. You mean down here? I spawned that by accident. That was dumb me. Action handlers? Action handlers. Nothing is handling throw snowball action on SG Wilson. Oh, that's the thing. Oh, okay. Okay, that's what it is. I completely forgot about the statecraft thing. Okay. Do I have... Yeah, there it is. Statecraft handler. Oops. What did I do? Completely and entirely forgot about statecraft handlers. Looks like I want one for both. Alright. What action do I use here? Instead of... Would it be... Let me see. Scripts... Stategraphs, SG Wilson. To throw... Toss... Right. Name equals... Oh, wait. I'm dumb. Here we go. Throw. I think this might work. So I'll do throw and cross my fingers. And roll back. Game doesn't know what state... I crashed again because I forgot to put the G. I forgot to put the G on the action handler. I'm so dumb. Oh, and on the actions. This is why I prefer usually to set the environment global and just use env for modded functions rather than G for literally everything. Hornet, do you know if Action Handler needs to be global or... Ah, it does. Okay, never mind. Let's go enable Snowballs, resume world, and try it again. After this, I'm going to try and make it so that it makes players wet when they get hit by the snowball. So it's kind of functions identically to the water balloon in that regard. Give Snowball P. Yay! Set position. Number expected got table. Wait. Okay, I'm forgetting how to do this. I know if I do :get, Zarklord's gonna scream at me. So I probably shouldn't do that. But I'm going to do it anyways. Oh, really? I just used get this time. Okay. I was using that before and you were screaming at me. I'm gonna have to tap into the projectile components function when it's going through the air and just check for literally any entity so that I can make sure that the snowball's going to hit trees, it's going to hit structures, it's going to hit players. Then when it hits them, it makes them wet. Just a little bit of wetness. Hey! It worked! It worked! Wait. Dang it. Stupid rabbits. Okay, it's not even... I would scream at you if you did inst get position get, which is effectively vector 3 inst transform get world position get. Oh, that's what you were screaming at. Okay, that makes sense. I apologize for being a dum-dum. Okay, so the next thing to do is go to Snowball P and bring up the projectile component. And what I need to do in projectile, and actually I need to comment all reference to weapon out. And I need to catch, miss, stop, hit. Do update. This is what I need to tap into, I believe. Or on update? I think it's do update. I need to tap into this and check target. Oh, before I forget. Unhit, unthrown. Before removing that, I need to local function clear targ. If inst, what did I call it? Yes, inst target. If inst target, then inst target remove. End. Okay. Then I'm just gonna clear targ whenever. Actually, couldn't I just go down here? Local remove equals inst remove. Inst remove equals function clear targ remove. Whoopsies. I think I can do that. That way the target's always going to be removed every single time the snowball ever gets removed. Anyways, it looks like I have to... What is check target? Is valid, is in limbo, is visible, has state tagged, flanked, or invisible. Restore delay, pause on entity wake. It's watching for target. I need to... Can I get away with just outright replacing do update and just check if things are in range? And then do a self-miss or self-hit by the end of it? Pretty sure I could. Because it's never going to hit the target. The target doesn't exist fully. It's just an invisible entity. I could, I guess, just add to it. Inst components. What the heck? Projectile. Do update. Local do update equals blah 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 equals function do update Oh, shoot, it's a local function. Oh, no. Oh, no. I just realized it's a local function. Ah, that's not good. Urgh. Target is in limbo. Target get position. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna have to do on update. Yeah, I could pull out the up value hacker. I could. I definitely could. Da, 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 da. But I think I could get away with just the on update. Let's give it a shot. On update. On update. On update equals on update. No, wait. I have to do function self dt. Then I would call my own local on update self dt. And then call the old one. That would work. So, local function on update self dt. And what we're gonna do, wait a second. It's not homing by default, is it? I need to make sure that snowballs don't home by default. They do home by default. I gotta disable that. Projectile. Inst components projectile homing equals false. Set on this. Da, 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 da. On miss. I'm just gonna do inst. Wait a second. I could probably do the same thing for both. Oops. Ah, what the heck? No. No, bad. Local FX spawn, transform, set position. Let's just do inst transform get row position. And we will just spawn FX inst. And do the same here. Now, on update, we're going to go ahead and scan a radius around the snowball. Target is valid, target in limbo. Delay entity is visible. Delay, pause, rotation. Homing, check target, rotate to target, rotation, inst transform, get rotation. How's it getting target? Oh, self-target. What about position? Okay, so I'm gonna do local pause equals self inst get position. Local ents equals, I think it's the sim, what is it? The sim find entities. The sim find entities, good, good. XYZ range. Pause X, pause Y, pause Z. With a range of, let's say, 1. 1 is good. Maybe even lower than 1. Let's change it if I need to. For ent in pairs, ents do. Programmer panic talk. Yeah. Every time I program, it's a panic fest, panic party. So if I need to make sure it's valid, not in limbo. This is good. This is good. I'll just replace target with ent. Ent is valid, ent not in limbo. Then we will go ahead and let me make sure that I can actually use hit. I think I can, but it's referencing a target, attacker, weapon, stop, physics stop, combat, components, weapon, inventory item. It might still work, but I will have to uncomment the weapon here. I'm hoping it does work, but I don't know. What range are we going for here? I've got the distance set to 8. Let's go ahead and pump that up to 10. And we want to do self hit ent. And break the loop. Let's just see if that works. Let's give it a shot. Essentially, though, this means that I should be able to hit the snowball on quite literally anything. So obstacles, you can have walls in the way. It'll technically hit flowers and grass. So maybe I have to... Maybe there's a tag I can use to ignore grass and flowers and seeds. But... Oh, wait. Oh, no. It's gonna hit me. It's hitting me. I have to make sure it doesn't... Oh, no! Oh, no. Projectile target equals projectile owner equals... Wait a second. I don't think I need to do that. I think it's already established in projectile. Self-owner. Okay, self-owner. If ent does not equal nil, and ent is valid and not ent in limbo, and ent does not equal self-owner. There we go. Self-owner. Projectile should know its thrower. Yeah. Let's give that another shot. Zarklord, do you know if there's a tag that refers to all, like, vegetation? Like grass, berry bushes, twigs, except avoiding trees? Does that not exist? Oh boy. Snowball. No. Snowball P. I keep forgetting. Wait. What is it hitting now? What is it hitting now? I need to see what it's hitting. Print the entity. And I guess while it's loading, I should look at grass. It's hitting player classified. No! Isn't player classified a child? Wouldn't that ignore it since it's a child? Or... Oh no. Whoops. Grass. I need to see what tags this has. Wait a second, isn't player classified technically in limbo? Oh, I also have to avoid effects. Add tag plant. Plant might be what I need. Probably should add classified to no tags. Good idea. Good idea. So, is that the very next argument? Or is it radius, nil, no tags, action tags? Wait. So it's radius nil, and then the tags that you don't want. Where is it? Must tags, no tags, must one of tags. Okay. So I want classified in here, and I want plant in here. I'm going to leave this print just in case there's more issues. Oh, you left, Osung? Well, Zarklord and Hornet showed up, and, I made the snowballs aimable. I made it so you can aim them. At least, I'm working on that currently. Snowball P. Let's give us 20 snowballs. It's still hitting something. It's hitting itself! not equal self-inst. No, Osung, I slightly used it, but not. It's different. It's inherently different. I can't believe the snowball was hitting itself this whole time. I'm so dumb. Hey! Hey, it worked! The bird went ouchie. I might have to tune that up. Tune that range up. Let's spawn a Wes. It's working. It's just not... Wait, now it's... I need to tune the range up. I need to tune that range up to about a 2. And I need to make the speed a little lower. Let's do 20. And probably the range... Let's set up the range to 12, 15. Go back to the mod main, set this up to 15. Yeah, it's disabled, but I want it to work regardless. So, on hit, inst attacker. Target. If target components, no, if target has tag player, then target SG go to state. I think it's hit. Let's check. Perfect. C_rollback. And let's see what happens. It should work no matter what now. Even if PvP is disabled, the snowball isn't intended to hurt. It's not intended to hurt. Now, if PvP is enabled, it will deal 0.0001 damage to the other player. But that's not bad. Snowball. P. C_spawn Maxwell. No, Waxwell. Forgot his prefab for a second. What did you hit this time? Rain? Rain. Rain. It hit rain. What? Excuse me, but that's not okay. It's hitting rain? Oh no. It hit the snowball targ. The snowball targ isn't removing. You know what? Screw it. On hit. Clear targ inst. Clear targ inst. And we're going to go down here and remove this. Save. But rain? Why is it hitting rain? What tag do I... I'm assuming I have to add FX as well. But... Oh, hi Osong. What'd you say?
I'm not in limbo.
Well, not in limbo is already... It's already watching for that. Rain. What tags does rain have? Oh, it has FX. Gosh dang it. That's stupid. C_rollback. Let's try this again. Let me mute for a second, guys. And I am back. C_give Snowball P20 C_spawn Maxwell. Waxwell. I keep forgetting. Hey, it works! With PvP off. Yeah! Yeah! Awesome! Sweet! So... What did it hit that time? It hit the seeds. I should probably also... Does inventory... do inventory objects have... Wait, that's not what I want. Silk, that's a good one. Okay, they don't have a tag, so I'm going to add to the if check. Gonna go to bed. Alright, see ya, Zark. Was fun having ya. I can't believe a Clay dev actually watched my stream. Okay, so if ent doesn't equal nil, and ent is valid, ent is in limbo, ent is not owner, ent is not inst, and ent does not... Okay, hold on. This is going to have to be in parentheses. Ent components inventory item I need it to not be the ones with inventory item. And components health. So if it doesn't have an inventory item, then it will return false. If it does have inventory item, but not health, then it will return true. If it does have health, then it will return false. Okay, that's what I want. This way, it won't hit seeds, but it will hit butterfly. It will hit a bee. It'll hit those things. I'm excited! Actually, I should probably add an effects tag or something to this. That way, they can't be hittable either. Alright, let's give this a shot. Give Snowball P 20. And we're going to go ahead and throw them at the seeds. They don't hit the seeds. Throw them at the bird. What did it hit? Oh no, I got rid of the print. I get rid of the print. Dang it. And dot prefab. I don't know what it hit there. Is it hitting the rabbit hole? It's hitting the bunny hole. Okay, it still hits birds. It still hits butterflies. Okay, good. Awesome. It's got to be the bunny hole. So let's go ahead and look at the bunny hole. Or is it rabbit hole? There's a couple of things that sit on the ground that it shouldn't be hitting. Oh no. I guess holes will stop snowballs. There's no way for me to make it avoid them because they don't have a unified tag. Which means the bunny hole, the teeth traps, and the cave entrance. I mean, I could do local ignore prefabs. I could add a little table here and add the rabbit hole. I could add the cave entrance. I'm pretty sure it's cave entrance. Cave entrance open. Are there any other flat objects, flat structures? Carrots? Ponds? Carrots? Pond. The boat, right? Oh no. I'm gonna have to C underscore spawn. Cave. Entrance. Open. It doesn't spawn on the server. Okay, C underscore spawn. Raise dirt. Oh my god, there's so many things. There's so many things. Oh, that's weird. That was weird. Yeah, the qualifiant track. C underscore spawn raised track? Is it track? No, that's meat rack. Is it? What is it? Dirt pile? Okay, dirt pile. So we're gonna avoid, oh, the pond. Okay, we're gonna avoid the pond. C underscore select. Marsh plant. Ah! Marsh plants. So we've got the rabbit hole, we've got the cave entrance open, we've got the carrot. Carrot planted. Never mind, it's not carrot, it's carrot planted. Pond marsh plants. Moose nesting ground. Walrus camp outside of winter. I don't think walrus camp. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, there's no. I can't do that one. Because it's both ways for the same prefab. I don't mind it hitting. I don't mind it hitting those. I should set that radius down to 1.5 so it looks a little better. The only other thing is that I can think of is the thing that the antlion spawns. Is that like crater? Crater something? I don't know what it's called. Let me look it up. Starve antlion crater. Sinkhole. Antlion sinkhole. Okay. Antlion underscore sinkhole. Can anybody think of any other flat objects that I could try to avoid with the snowballs? Things they should be able to fly over. It's not hitting trees. It's going around them, in fact. Uh-oh. The trees are considered plant. Oh no. So I can't do no to plants. I have to add another if check. Winona's oh my gosh. That's inappropriate, Oh Song. How dare you? So I have to look at a tree. I have to look at a tree. An evergreen tree. Excuse me. Da, 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 da. I hope they have like a add tag tree, then it'll be... Ah, they do! How convenient. And not ent has tag plant and not ent has tag tree. Wait, snowballs can't hit bushes then? No, they can't. They can't hit bushes, they can't hit grass. Da, da, da. Wait. And not ent. Ooh. I have to do equals true for all of these. So it's a little easier to check. Perfect. So if not, ignore prefabs, ent.prefab. There we go. Now C underscore roll back, and we will run a nice little check. What do you mean that's stupid? What do you mean that's stupid? What are you talking about? I think you're just mean. No, you hide behind other things. Okay. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to hit the frog. Oh, that's a rook. Oh, no. Okay, so everything seems to be in order. The only thing is that it disappears when you're hovering over things, which I don't like. And I'm not sure how I'd fix that. I'm making them restricted. You can hide behind trees, but grass tufts and saplings and things of that nature, flowers, they shouldn't be able to stop the snowball. So, is there something I can do here? Wait a second. Tiredness, component actions. Does this exist twice? It does. That's ocean throwable. Can cast fishing net at point. I don't want to throw the snowballs in the ocean. Equipped. Target. Aha. Ah. So it does do it twice. I guess I'm okay with that. Add component action. Equip. Where did it go? Where did it go? Component actions. Alright, let's just go ahead and copy that if check. And it's in equipped. Snowball function. And let's get rid of these ands. If right, and da 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 da. Table insert. Oops, I accidentally turned on my caps lock. Ins components player controller does not equal nil. Player controller is client controller attached, is ground blocked, target get position. Now, let's provide that. Now this, that's why the other action, if I can find it, actions, here we go. That's why the other action was checking if act target. So I should probably do that. Target spawn prefab. So local pause equals act target does not equal nil, and act target does not equal nil, and target get position or wait a second. I'm not going to do get position here. I'm going to do transform get world position or get action point get. Then I can get rid of this. And projectile drop, spawn prefab, snowball targ, transform set position pause, projectile target. Boom, baby! Boom, baby! That should do the trick. Now I should be able to throw the snowball no matter what. I will have to go look at what happens when you're on the boat. Oh, Song's wanting to know how long it's going to be. I'm going to be done very soon, honey. Oh, shoot. I forgot the world. The world. I did it again. Whoopsies! I think that should be everything for the throwing mechanics. Now I need to, after I run one more test, I need to go to, on throne. Not on throne. I need to go to on hit and make whatever it hits moist. I have to make it moist. Maybe lower its temperature. I don't think I need to lower its temperature because the moisture's already going to make things colder inherently. So I'd just be beating a dead horse by lowering the temperature as well. So, yeah. A Buddy the Elf mod? Well, now you got a new mod to make, Osung. Number expected got no value. Got no value at all. None? Mod main 25. Yes, you. You'll make Buddy the Elf. Act, target, transform, get world position. Is it not? Is this incorrect? Act target does not equal nil, and act target transform get world position or act action point get. I'm pretty sure it's get world position. Target, transform, get world position. What is going on? I should drag this over. Wait, why will you make a Fidoop mod and make me have 1 HP? Why would you do that? Yes, you are mean. Act target does not equal nil, and target transform get world position or act get action point get. I'm not understanding what's going on here. Why does this not work? What is going on? This should work. Set bad argument. Set position. Number expected got no value. No value whatsoever. What? What are you talking about? I'm so confused. I mean, I could do this, and then I could do this. But then Zarklord will get mad at me. Because I'm doing a get position get again, and I'm looping a thing that doesn't need to be looped. I'm literally packaging and unpackaging it. Well, let's try again. What? What is it, Osong? Projectile what? Projectile dot target. There's nothing wrong with that. Right, I'm declaring a projectile dot target and I'm using it correctly separately from act dot target. You know you can use the chat. Alright, so we're almost done here. Well, that's working. Cool. Nice. He's so cute, he says, when looking at the ugly frog. So the very last thing I wanted to do... I've been checking the chat frequently, Noel. Okay, so on hit, I want to actually make the target wet if it has the... Is it moisture? Components moisture. I'm pretty sure it's moisture. So we're going to go ahead and add wetness. Is wet, get max moisture, get moisture percent. I'm going to find in files and see... See if I can look at something that adds moisture to something else. Dryer, equipable, floater, frog rain, harvestable, inventory item. Inventory item moisture. Oh, there's an inventory item moisture separately, so it's a good thing I'm looking for something that applies it. Okay, a little bit. Debug keys, console commands, world temperature, world state. You're kidding me. Where's water balloon? Waterproofer, terraformer, temperature, stackable, shaveable, sanity. Fine, I'll just directly look for the water balloon and hopefully... Scripts, prefabs, nope, prefabs. Water balloon. Water balloon. Where is it? Isn't it like some kind of water projectile, liquid projectile? It's inside of something. Is it 1L? Prefab water balloon. There it is. Water projectiles. There's no snowball emote, so this round white thing will have to do. Or this one. They look the same. Where is the on hit? pretty sure there's got to be a moisture call here somewhere. How does it make things wet? It doesn't make things wet? I'm so confused. Set on hit. On hit snow. Splash snow effects. Transform set position. Transform get roll position. Components watery protection. Spread protection. Is it a component that does it? Oh, is that how it... Watery protection. Spread protection at point. Spread protection. Oh, so it'll do things that are burnable, it'll add coldness, it'll set the moisture, it'll set inventory moisture. That's it. This is what I need. So we're going to go ahead and add component to the snowball. Inst add component watery protection. Control S. Watery protection. Now, I actually have to look at fire suppressor, extinguish heat percent, temp reduction, protection time, add coldness. Oh boy. Add ignore tag. No, we're not going to ignore anything. But now I have to go look at these tuning variables. So... Aha! I'm going to go ahead and set these. Heat percent, temp reduction, protection time. Oops. So I'm pretty sure it's these four. Extinguish heat percent, temp reduction, protection time, add coldness. So I'm going to go ahead, go to the mod main, which somehow moved. And we're going to go ahead and set some tuning. We're going to set some nice little tuning. Boop, boop, boop. And we're going to just change this to Snowball. Snowball, Snowball, Snowball. Extinguish heat percent, temp reduction, protection time, add coldness 2. Now, I want it to be much less than the fire suppressor, so extinguish heat percent, this, I'm pretty sure that the Flingomatic does all of it, so I'm assuming that this is 100%. So let's go ahead and do like a 0.05. The temperature reduction, let's do 1. Protection time 5. Add coldness 0.2. Let's try that. And go back over here, and we're going to change these all to Snowball. And we're going to go ahead and regenerate the world. And while I'm doing that, I'm actually going to open up Don't Starve on Osong's computer. And I'm going to join myself to test this real quick. And if it works, hooray! Oh, server requires mods that are not available on the Steam Workshop. You will need to manually download the missing mods. I forgot about that part. Da, 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 da. Let me go here and doot, doot, doot. I will have to do that. Go here. And I'm gonna need to zip up the mod. New zip snowballs. And let's go find Snowball. Okay. Back out. Drop this. Upload. Download on the other computer. Go to mods. And open drag it in. And I should be able to join now. Hopefully that works. Yep, it's loading on the other computer. Good, good, good. Goody gumdrops. Osung has joined the game, although it's not really her. Now I'm going to C underscore spawn Snowball P 20. And over here, I'm going to pick them up. And let's go ahead and throw one. It doesn't appear to be adding any moisture. It's not adding moisture. What did I do wrong? Wait, I know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. I didn't even declare that it should spread the watery protection. Whoopsies! Okay. I'm a little dumb. Spread watery protection, spread protection inst. Save. And we are gonna just C underscore roll back. Real quick. Oh, lots of stuff. Is my game still in Portuguese? No. Back. Frosty. Hello, welcome back. Watched Trisha Paytas having a moment. Should have me join as my beautiful shark boy Wilson. I love this already. Did you change for both clients? It doesn't need to be changed for both clients. I made a server change. Also, your shark boy Wilson, it'll undo the dress Wilson you have equipped right now. You only have the shark boy saved. Do you want me to save the dress Wilson? I'll just save it so it doesn't go away. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. Whatever, Shark Boy Wilson. That was a little weird looking, but okay. C underscore spawn. Snowball. P. And let's go pick it up and throw it. Did it... What is with the side of Wilson's face with that... What the heck? It looks so weird. $30. Let's, hold on. Let me see if I can... Well, it's making us cold. I can clearly see it's making us cold. Oh no! It didn't add wetness. But I honestly like that. I honestly like the way that worked. So I think I'm going to keep it like that. So, you know what? I think it's time to update it on the workshop. Everything's functioning. So let's go ahead and update this sucker. Don't starve mod tools. Don't starve together. And we're going to update this time. Snowballs. Edit. Update data. Publish. The version oh, right. I have to update the mod info version. I haven't updated a mod in a long time. So, the mod info, and we're going to go update this to version 1.1. Save. Try that again. Snowballs. Update. Publish. Update complete. I got 2 comments here. Beards for all and Yelsome. No, I want to go to Snowballs. Action required. You need to agree to the latest... okay. Accept. And it appears to be updated. Let's see, change notes. Yep, we got 2 updates. First release. Save. Back. Item stats. No, not item stats. I don't want people seeing that. Change notes. Edit. Snowballs can now be aimed. Well, first I should probably put the more important things. Mod no longer crashes and blames other mods. Snowballs now have a recipe description. Fling-O-matics no longer crash the game with this mod. Snowballs can now be aimed. Snowballs can now hit players regardless of PvP. And snowballs can now add coldness to entities and even freeze them. Save. Back to your item. Nice. Well, I think that's enough modding for me today, so, thank you everybody so much for tuning in. And please, if you're interested, check the description. We've got a Discord, and a Twitter and a Reddit, and feel free to subscribe if you want more content like this. I'm streaming once a week on Saturdays. I'm going to continue making more mods in the future. And leave a comment, like, share with your friends, all that stuff. I will see... Oh, one more thing. If you have any suggestions for silly mod ideas that I could make on stream, mention them in the Discord server or in the comments. Anyways, that'll be all. Thank you all so much for watching, and bye-bye.